kids, welcome to this fun and exciting math quiz. Have fun and enjoy.
Hooray!
Calculate the fields in the table. Start with 5 times 3, then 5 times 6 and keep going. Complete the table with multiplication. The results are 4 times 2 equals 8, 4 times 6 equals 24 and 4 times 9 equals 36. Complete the table with multiplication. The results are 9 times 2 equals 18, 9 times 6 equals 54 and 9 times 9 equals 81. Complete the table with multiplication. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. The results are 3 times 2 equals 6, 3 times 6 equals 18 and 3 times 9 equals 27. Complete the table with multiplication. The results are 7 times 5 equals 35, 7 times 7 equals 49 and 7 times 3 equals 21. Complete the table with multiplication. The results are 6 times 5 equals 30, 6 times 7 equals 42 and 6 times 3 equals 18. Complete the table with multiplication. The results are 2 times 5 equals 10, 2 times 7 equals 14 and 2 times 3 equals 6. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you next time, and don't forget to watch our other videos.